Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you for the first 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, we have the Ten of Cups, the Hierophant, the High Priestess, the Ace of Wands, the Emperor, the King of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, the Three of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands, followed by the Page of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Pisces. Okay. Guidance from the angels. Okay. So Pisces, you are in a very good position, emotionally content, happy, in a committed relationship perhaps, whatever it is. But what I feel here is this relationship which is committed and which gives you a lot of happiness is being actually, what should I say, it looks as if it's a commitment in a sort of a marriage also. So what I feel is you are stepping up in some way, shape or form in this relationship. If it is just a normal relationship which is giving you a lot of happiness, then maybe you're committing or you're marrying or whatever. But you are definitely, there is a relationship which is giving you a lot of happiness. And here with the Hierophant and the High Priestess, this relationship is amongst the equals. It's something, both of you are at the same page, both of you are equally powerful, both of you are in the same sort of in same position or something like that. And this relationship is giving you a lot of happiness, emotional satisfaction, and there is a stable commitment over here. Beautiful thing. And with the Ace of Wands, you are definitely moving in towards a new beginning. There is definitely a new beginning which is coming in over here. And with the Emperor and the King of Swords, it's talking all about taking the power, control, or maybe you're dealing with somebody like that. But this new beginning is giving you a lot of power. That's what I'm getting. A lot of uh, with the King and the Emperor together, this new beginning, whatever this new beginning is giving you perhaps it's a promotion, it's a status which elevation, or it is the energy which you are exuding. At least this is how you feel, this is how people are looking up to you. Okay, so this is the new beginning which is happening, which is giving you some sort of power, whatever this power is. And you are using it very wisely and in a very guarded way. Okay, very strategically, very wisely, and no, in a taking control of the situation. That's what I'm getting. This new beginning is making you have the control of the situation, that power, again and again, that power, and which you are using it wisely. So you are leveling up to a situation which to a powerful situation, basically. That's what it is. And here with the Wheel of Fortune, things are changing for the better. You are moving in a new direction, time is changing for you, it's a good times which are coming in. And here with the Three of Pentacles, definitely you are stepping up People are admiring you, you are stepping up. And with the Nine of Wands, I think it is something which has required a long wait. This is something which has you've been waiting for since ages, sort of, since a long time, since many years perhaps. This is something which is coming up now. And with the Page of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles, it is definitely, there is something which is again a new beginning, which is giving you a, we have two aces over here, so it can be two beginnings. It can be two beginnings, which is stable, which is committed, which is long term. And it is something which you've been waiting for since a long time, and you were feeling as if you are not being duly rewarded for the efforts which you were putting in whatever this situation was for you. And here again we have the Ten of Diamonds, which is the Ten of Cups. So definitely for most of you, what I feel, it is a committed relationship which is coming in. It is a committed relationship which is coming in, and perhaps it is something which you've been long waiting for. And maybe that is the reason of your maybe this relationship is giving you that power or that position, that authority, whatever it is. But there is definitely a new beginning in some way, shape or form, which is giving you the power over here, authority, leadership, and you have the wisdom to exercise it in a very good way. Things are changing, people are coming to you for the advice, you are leveling up. Something obviously waiting for a long time. And again, there is something new perhaps which comes in, which is solid, which is again committed. It's again giving you a new beginning over here. Beautiful thing. Number 21 may be of some significance for you. Successful completion. It's a time of incredible accomplishments. You feel you are justified in feeling joy, a sense of completion, and pride in amazing job you've done. You've been blessed with many spiritual insights. Soon you will begin a new journey, but for now, take the time to bask in the happiness of your dreams coming true. So this is a beautiful energy which is coming in for you. It's accomplished. You are feeling happy, obviously. Okay, just give time to yourself and enjoy the time you have. You are definitely coming in for something beautiful, Pisces. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.